Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo everyone, my name is Putri Gapasani from Law Class Subject. I will present 3 legal articles with different topics about good governance. Let's go! First, legal article. Implementation of the principle of the rule of law in improving good governance in Indonesia. The principle of the rule of law has been widely recognized as a crucial foundation for good governance and social justice in Indonesia. However, its implementation still faces various challenges that affect its effectiveness in improving good governance. This research aims to investigate the implementation of the rule of law principle in enhancing good governance in Indonesia. The methodology used is a qualitative approach with literature review involving analysis of various relevant literature and documents. The research findings indicate that the rule of law principle plays a significant role in building good governance, yet it is confronted with challenges such as its institutional capacity, legal uncertainty, and limited community participation. The conclusion of this research underscores the need for sustained efforts to strengthen institutional capacity, promote community participation, and overcome cultural and political barriers in realizing an effective rule of law principle to enhance good governance in Indonesia. The second legal article is the existence of good governance principle in preventing corruption in Indonesia. The problem that will be studied in this article is how the existence of the principle of good governance in preventing corruption in Indonesia is not, given the powerlessness and failure of the government in eradicating corruption, which further worsen the image of the government in the eyes of the public, and even the public becomes increasingly apathetic and distrustful of the government's efforts in eradicating corruption and upholding the rule of law. The research used normative, empirical legal research, namely research conducted by reviewing statutory provisions and seeing increasing massive corrupt practice occurring in the field. Students conduct in-depth study and analysis. Based on the results of the study, the author concludes that the principle of good governance has a role in preventing the occurrence of criminal acts of corruption. But in practice, it is not enough to prevent it. There is no legal awareness both in the general public and government officials. Third legal article is the role of public relations of the Department of Population and Civil Registration of Tangerang City in the implementation of prima service. This study is to determine the role of public relations Department of Population and Civil Registration Tangerang City in the implementation of excellent service. The formulation of the problem in this research is how the role of public relations at the Tangerang City in this research, how the role of public relations at the Tangerang City Population and Civil Registration Office in the implementation of excellent service. Research used the concept of excellent service as its barata. The research method used is descriptive qualitative method and use post-positivism paradigm. The result of this study with data obtained by researchers using interview with key informant and informant. The data discussed in this study are data from interview to complement and explain the data obtained from in-depth interview conducted by researchers. The conclusion in this study is that the role of public relations of the implementation of excellent service by using the concept of the role of public relations relate to the concept of achieve excellent service, namely by acting as a communicator to convey service information, by linking the concept of excellent service achieve attitude with being friendly in conveying information to the public, the relationship by establishing good relationship with internal and external parties, by linking the concept of excellent service achieve empathy, action and ability by paying attention to the community, action in providing service according to standard operating procedure atau SOP, and has the ability to cooperate with other agencies in backup management public relations Dukcapil, act as a representative of the program city Dukcapil office relating to the concept of excellent service, as accountability with full R responsibility and good image maker Dukcapil Tangerang City, head corporate social responsibility or CSR activities for the community through the Tangerang Berseta activity by linking the concept of entrepreneurs to spread a positive image of the Tangerang City di Dukcapil. Okay everyone, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke teman-teman, terima kasih